Hi guys, it's Ajay Gupta from NothingLeak.com, and today we are present at live launch of LG Optimus G2 phone. As you can see, I'm holding a white variant of this device and it got an extremely nice display with 441 pixels per inch. As you can see, LG has optimized the screen design and the bezel around the chargers is really small. It's 1 mm thick only. The device is extremely light. There are no physical keys, no volume rocker buttons at the front. As you can see, LG called this a revolution in smartphone industry. They have placed these volume rocker buttons as well as power off on off buttons below this camera shooter. So only one 3.5 mm jack and dual speakers and micro USB port are present at the bottom. The device is really light and although it's plasticky, but it looks really appealing. Yeah, and this phone got. Now we come to the basic feature of the phone for which the phone is built for, and as you can see, the dialing pad is really well laid out. Typing even with big fingers is quite simple, and you can directly maneuver to messaging on LG Optimus G2. Coming to the landscape mode, even the number keys are present at the top, and there are no hassles like you want to switch from alphabets to numbers. They are all present on this 5.2-inch beautiful display. Right now, coming to the gallery. The gallery is basic Android stuff. Nothing LG has not tweaked much in here. Coming to the 13 megapixel camera, which is much talked about in the global market. There are numerous features available like normal shots, dynamic tone, beauty shot, dual camera, panorama features. One interesting thing to note here is that the 13 megapixel camera only supports 4:3 aspect ratio, while if you want full shooting mode, you have to switch to just a second. Yeah, if you want full screen shoot mode, you have to switch to 10 megapixel shooter. So that is one minor issue with the LG Optimus G2. However, the camera on this phone is really beautiful. Now coming to another USP of this phone is the Q slide feature, which involves sliding the phone using 3 fingers, and you can slide to all the recent apps which you have used on this phone. A little typical feature is a little typical, but once you get used to it, it's fun to use. Overall, this device got some nice features like quick memo, quick remote, will display you the quick memo function. You can make tweaks and you can make note of anything. Now one interesting thing is, as you see, there are no physical keys either on the left or right side. So how would you log off or log on or switch on your phone? Just double tap on the device and it comes to life. Coming to multimedia features of LG Optimus G2. All your music gets stored in my Google Play Music, where I'll just play a song. Okay, right now we are standing amidst a crowd, so volume. Okay, it's getting crazy. It's really noisy in this auditorium, so we are not able to hear the sound properly. Anyways, Play Movies, all these standard Android apps are present for all your multimedia purposes. Coming to the gallery feature, you can choose according to the images stored on cloud storage or on Picasa or the standard camera roll. You can also choose images according to locations, albums and timestamp. Well guys, this was all about LG Optimus G2. Our first few minutes of playing with this device were really great. It got a beautiful display, it got end-to-end touchscreen and nice innovation through which I can increase the volume, take snaps. Wait for our complete review. Till then, see ya.